Hey everyone, so today I have a new set for you. I have the Finding Unicorn RICO Happy Island set. And I usually don't get full sets of RICO, but I do love the artist and their work. And I saw the set on this when I saw it coming out on the Toy News, and I had to get the whole set. Specifically for one main reason. So this is the blind box. And if you look in the back, here is the lineup. And look at this diaper RICO and the hula RICO and the surfing RICO along with the little penguins. And then there's this one with a little bird. So basically these four RICOs and this penguin I really wanted. The ones that were kind of like whatever about was like the pineapple, the coconut, the tube, and the dolphin, but the super hidden is so cool. Now, if you watched my other videos, you would know that my luck with super hiddens and hiddens are just not very good. But also, there's still 5 RICOs there's still 5 other pieces that I really wanted too. So I thought it was better just to get a whole set than buying them individually. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the first box and see what we get. Now I do know that it's either one unique card or one secret. I'd rather have a secret than a unique card. This is actually pretty round. I feel like I know what this one is. So we got the pineapple RICO, and actually if you look closely, it has little indents on them, which is pretty cool. And it's very heavy. Very, very heavy. Oh, the pineapple has a little face in the back too. And here is the card. Box number 2. Oh, it's the one with the bird. So it's the RICO with the little birdie. On the shirt there's a little flower design. Inside it's made out of resin material. And look at the little toucan bird right there. So cute. So this one is called Panama RICO with toucan. Box number 3. Please, no secret, no unique cards. I feel like this whole set has been pretty heavy lately. Oh, there's 2 parts. Oh, it's the coconut one. So it's a little coconut chair. Oh, it has a face. And then RICO sits on top. Actually, this isn't that bad. It's actually pretty cute. One thing I do like about this RICO is that if you take a look at its hat, the lattice design is so nice. It's very detailed. So this will be the 4th box. Okay, this is a small one. It's very, very small. Who could you be? Look at RICO, it's so cute. It's on a little surfboard with a little bunny too. The surfboard's clear. And I love the gradient on the hair. And here's the card. It's surfing RICO with Coco. So the bunny must be Coco then. Let's open the 5th one. So far no secret. So we're probably gonna go around probably just get the regular standard kit. That's fine. I was trying to pull the card away, but I ended up looking at it. We have Rainbow Tube Anne, and looks like Anne is this character. She's in a little sailor suit. And look at this rainbow tube. Oh, and the rainbow tube is clear. So you can't take Anne off the tube part, so it's actually pretty heavy as well. That's probably why they feel so heavy. The lightest one so far has been this surfing RICO. Everything else has been pretty hefty. And here's the card as well. Opening box number 6. Oh, we have one of the ones I wanted. So it looks like we have this RICO that goes on this stand right here. And a little tiny spoon. And it fits really tight, which is nice. I like it when it's like not loose because it doesn't fall off and I'm less likely to lose it. And the little shaved ice. Oh, the shaved ice is everything. Goes right here. They look so happy together. And then here's the card. It is Hula RICO with Ice Babu. The 7th box. I'm still hoping for a secret, even though we probably won't get one. But even though I say that, I still hope for it. I also know that if the card is the same color as the rest of the cards, it's a regular one. Finding Unicorn always has their secrets in a different color. But it's okay, because there's one more one that I'm looking for. So we have Ann Dolphin Tube Gianna. And here is Anne on a dolphin. Look at her little goggles, it's super cute. And it's on this dolphin, which is Gianna. The only thing is that the whole face is on the side of this dolphin, when it should be kind of like right here and here. I think that's what really threw me off about this piece, because the dolphin's face is like right here instead of like here and here. We only have 2 boxes left. Now, the ones we're missing are Diver RICO and the penguins. The worst case scenario would be if I got this secret, which is a small hidden, and replace it with this RICO. Because I don't want this secret at all, and I really want this RICO. I hope that doesn't happen, but there is an instance of it. But the 2 we don't have are ones I want, so I'm okay if we get them. And we have Diver RICO. So look how cute RICO is. First of all, the goggles clear. Has a little bunny on a clam. And on the back of its head, is that a sea slug or a sea butterfly? I think they're, what are these called? I think it's a sea slug, right? And it has a little face on it. The detail. Here is Diver RICO with snow. And then we'll just open the last one. So last but not least, I'm sure it'll be the penguins. Okay, so here are the 2 penguins. Look how cute they are. I was a little confused because we only had 1 stand, but we have 2 penguins. I was hoping for 2 stands or like 1 single stand that fits both penguins. That would have been nicer, but I forgot that Finding Unicorn has a hole for each foot, even if they don't have a stand. And here they are. It's Beach Pinko and Purple. So this must be Pinko and that must be Purple. Here is the full set of RICOs that we opened. My favorites are definitely the 4 on top along with my penguins, but I actually don't mind these designs as well. I think that's why I got the full set, because I didn't hate any of the designs. And another thing, there's no orange, so that was great. I can never lose with this color scheme because there was no orange for me to not want. So we didn't get the secret, so I might have to see if I can find the secret online somewhere. But I hope you all enjoyed this video and let me know which design you like the best. I honestly would say Diver RICO is probably my favorite. Oh my god. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite one is, and thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.